This answer should be negative 4. Answer to this one is 46. This one goes until the bell is off. Answer to this one should be 38.
On paper yet. Someone didn't cut any.
For this problem, 2 to the second is 4, and x to the second is x to the fourth. And over here, 3 to the second power is 9, x to the second power is x to the second. So 36x to the sixth is the answer. Alright, for this one, 4 over 2 cancels to a 2. These cancel completely out, and that leaves you with just 1x on the top, so 2x. Last one. For this problem, you must cancel here and here. Marker is a little bit thin. There we go. Cancel here and here. 8 goes into 24 3 times and into 16 twice. So we start out with a 3 over 2. 3 on top, 1 on bottom, difference of 2. Largest one is on top, so that's where it goes. A difference of 2 here for the exponents, but the largest one is on the bottom, so that's where it goes. Homework check. "13 out of 18. That's 72%. If you have credit for your homework, you can pick a number from 1 to 20. Alright. Winning homework lottery numbers are 2, 5, 9, 12, and 15. Fast multiple choice. Block letter only. On this one, you can take out a 4. You can factor out a 4. So that if that's the highest thing you can factor out, this answer and this answer are not options. So it leaves this and this. What's the highest power of x you can take out from both of these? Just x, yeah. And the highest power of y? Just y. So there it is. It's 4xy. This one is 4x squared y. So the answer is B. Here are the homework answers. Number 1, you should have 5a plus 4x, x squared plus 4. Number 2 is 7x plus 2 and 3y plus 1. Three is a minus 1 and b plus x. And 4 is 3x squared plus 4 and 4a plus 3x. Alright, for number 5, 7a plus 4x and 4x squared minus 7. 6 is 3a plus 1 and b plus 4x. And 7 does not work out for the first way that I chose, for try number 1. And then try number 2, that still doesn't work out. And if you look through it even further, you'll find out it's not factorable. 8 should be 5y minus 2, x minus 1. And 5y minus 3, 2x plus 5 for 9. There's number 8 in case I went through that too fast. And number 9. There's 10 at the bottom, 5a plus 4x and 6x squared minus 7. Say the answer out loud. 12x to the fourth, yes. 1 over x.
5
x to the third, then x to the over.
Yep, that's it.
2x to the 7th.
Yeah.
3 over 2, and then x and y on the bottom. No, y on top. Oh, y on top.
Yeah, 3xy over 2. What can you factor out? You can factor out a 5 and an A and a B. So that would leave us with
A minus 2B. Oh, yeah.
yes. What can I factor out? A 6, 6A squared, and a B. What am I left with?
2A minus 3.
2A minus 3, yeah. What comes out of this one?
10x squared.
Yeah. What's left?
10x.
10x.
No, it's x and then y to the
Oh, yeah.
third.
Sorry.
xy to the third.
Plus 2.
That's it?
That's it.
All right. What comes out of this one?
3a.
3A, and what's left?
AB
AB plus 4. Right. Last one, what comes out of this?
6x squared.
What's left?
negative 1 minus. Oh, 1, yeah. 3x.
Yeah, 1 minus 3x squared is left over. Lottery for everybody.
That's me.
Who's that, Spartan?
Winning number for this one is 5.
Oh, Mr.
Here's example 1.
Not even my friend anymore.
What 2 items can I choose out of this?
Oh, okay.
3 and 3 and 3.
Okay, so we'll go first 2, last 2. If that's the case, it'll be 3ax squared minus 3a minus the quantity of 4bx squared, and then what's next?
Minus 4AB.
Minus 4b.
Oh, 4B, not AB.
Now, what can I take out of the first one?
3a.
3a, and I'm left with
X squared minus 1.
x squared minus 1. What about the next one?
4b.
4b,
X squared minus 1.
x squared minus 1. So your final answer is 3a minus 4b and x squared minus 1. Or is it?
And no, not. It would be x plus 1, x minus 1, and then 3a minus 4b.
Right. This one stays the way it is. You can't do anything to it, but this here is a difference of 2 squares. So it must be x plus 1, x minus 1. So you end up with 3 on this one.
So how do
Example 2. What am I going to use?
Problem wrote down first. The first 2 examples.
Okay, we can use first 2, second 2, and that would be 8b squared x squared minus 2b, and there's nothing to change because this is a positive term here on the first part of the second one, so 20cx squared minus 5c. What comes out of the first one?
2b.
2b, yeah. And what's left?
4b x squared minus 1.
4b
4b x squared.
x squared minus 1. Okay, what's over here?
It'll be you take 5c out.
5c comes out.
It'll be
4x squared minus 1.
4x squared minus 1. Alright, does that work out? No, it does not. Can we try it another way? Okay, what way do you want to try it now?
8b squared x squared and then 20cx squared.
Okay, we'll go that way and use 8b squared x squared minus 2b. Oh my gosh, I wrote the wrong thing down there. I have the blue up here. It would help if the marker was a little bigger. We'll put this on the blooper reel. and then lower it down. There we go. So we're looking for plus 20c x squared, and then the other two, this is minus. So that has to be minus the quantity 2b plus 5c. Okay, what comes out of the first one?
4x squared.
4x squared, and what's left?
2b squared plus 5c.
All right, and what about the other one?
Nothing.
Nothing comes out, but is it the same quantity as the other one?
No.
No, it is not. This one is likely going to be what?
Not factorable.
Yes, not factorable. Here is a quick review. It says 10, but it's only 5. What is this?
Oh! I know. Right?
Can I take...
You can
okay.
take 4x out, or you can take 4 out of that.
You can take a 4 out and be left with what?
X squared minus 4.
X squared minus 4. Are we finished?
No. Before, and then x plus 4, x minus 4.
No.
Plus 2 minus 2. Oh, 2.
Yes. X plus 2, x minus 2. What about this one?
You can take...
Can you take anything out of it? Is it anything at all?
No.
Yes.
What are they?
A difference of 2 squares.
Oh my god.
5 and 4.
5x and 4y. Plus minus. Can I take anything out of this? Is it a difference of 2 squares?
Is it like 4 squares?
What's the square root of x to the 4th?
X.
X to the 2nd. It's x to the 2nd.
Oh.
So if you go x to the 2nd times x to the 2nd, you're right back to x to the 4th. What would be the square root of this one?
6y.
6y to the 2nd, right. So plus and minus. What about this one? Can you take anything out of both?
It would be square roots.
Yeah, it's a difference of 2 squares. What's the square root of 9x squared?
3x.
And 49y squared.
7y.
So it's plus and minus. Can I take anything out of this? Higher. I can take more than 2.
3 and
Not a 3. Higher. 6. And I'm left with x squared minus what?
54 times 9.
9.
Oh my gosh.
And now a difference of 2 squares.
Oh,
This goes to the first 4 people. That was for 10 points, and the answer should have been 7. This is for 5 points and goes to the first 7. 20 is the answer. Try this one.
I quit school.
Alright, for this one, where should I go for my first 2?
2400 x to the 5th minus 54x.
Okay, we'll try the first 2. And since these are, that's a positive first term on the second quantity, we'll just start from here. And what can I take out of 24 and 54? 6. And what's the highest power of x I can take out? X cubed. And what am I left with?
4x squared minus 9.
4x squared minus 9. And what about on the right side?
2y squared.
2y squared is all I can take out, and I'm left with
4x squared minus 9.
4x squared minus 9. Okay, so it goes to 6x to the 3rd plus 2y squared, and then 4x squared minus 9. You cannot finish yet. This cannot be touched.
I swear to God. I quit. Nick, quit.
2x plus 3, 2x minus 3 for the difference of 2 squares here. Answer to this one is 2y over 3x. So the bonus should be 1 over x. The first 4.
Redo it. Redo it.
This is
Nine.
-9.
That is not -9.
Yes,
How?
it is.
No, it's not.
Square root is positive.
Back to Algebra 1. You
Here we
must
go.
remember that whenever you have this, the answer is -9. When you have this, the answer is +9.
I'm about to call Miss
I'm
Matt.
pretty sure that a
Yes.
-3 squared is
I'm
not.
gonna call her, and if she's
Do
gonna
it.
say that I'm right.
All right.
No.
Can I use
It's
your
always
phone?
been that way.
No.
Oh,
You
you get up
don't
to go
wanna
use
get
that phone and call her.
Get it
No.
right. Miss Matt, don't want to get proved wrong.
Mr. Skinner.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
a +9.
This is how we learned
No.
it. Yes, I swear.
Then that's the cause of a lot of problems because
I'm about to call her.
here, I will prove it to you. Do any of you have any of those Texas Instrument calculators from up there? I want you to hit the negative sign, hit 3, and then the square button, and equals. And what do you get? -9.
Said that was wrong.
-9.
Whatever.
-9.
Right, and you're wrong.
-9 times 4 is -36. Divided by 12 is -3. Plus 20 is 17.
Yes, I'm good.
Best believe it.
Thank you very much.
Wait a minute.
Answer is 11.